blown away. I am blown away. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, you guys, it took me 30 minutes to get this result. Like, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glory. Today I will be showing you how I blow dry my hair using the Revair hair dryer. I just got this online and I want to try it and demonstrate to you guys how it works, and also to see if it's worth it. This is a $400 hair dryer. It is not your typical hair dryer. It works by basically using air, hence the name Revair. It uses air basically to pull your hair and sort of suctions it into the into this device here. And so it's supposed to be very gentle, uses minimal heat, and it's supposed to cause very little hair damage. So I'm going to find that out today as I blow dry my hair. So just to show you the whole thing, here it is. This is sort of the motor or the engine where the power comes through, and then this other tube here is the part where you see this hole here is where you put your hair in and sort of blow dry it. So I'm gonna be showing that to you guys. It comes with some other hair accessories like the comb and the hair clips. So I'm going to get started. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It is still damp, and as you can see, the shrinkage is real. So this is about how long my hair is, but the shrinkage, oh wow. Okay, so I'm gonna get started here. I'm gonna plug it in. You're gonna be hearing the sound of Miss Rachel in the background because my little one is watching Miss Rachel. That's the only way I can sometimes get anything done. So I'm gonna, hi honey. So I've read reviews and they tell you to start with a low setting and then you can go up based on your hair texture and stuff. So I'm gonna start. I have quite very coarse hair and thick natural hair, so my guess is that I'll probably be needing the higher setting for it. So I'm going to section my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna section my hair. Basically into four sections. Okay, I got you. Hi guys, so I actually ended up going to sleep after doing just this first front section. I was so tired, and so now it's the next day in the morning and I'm going to finish it up. As you can see, everything is all dried up, and so I'm going to have to moisturize it again. I put this section in a twist, and I will freshen it up again in the end. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is nice. Coming up. Coming up. Floating up. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so camera-headed. Ooh, look at that. Nice. So basically here, I'll show you the settings that I use. So basically this is the on button on this device, and here on this side you basically have your temperature settings. It goes from 1 to 7. You can decrease and increase as you need it. And then on this handheld part of it, the one, you have the 1 and the 2, and this is basically how strongly the suction pulls your hair into it. So I played around a little bit with it, and I ended up going with number 2 and number 7 on here. So it gives me the best results. All right, I'm gonna do another section. This is all dried up, so I'm gonna split it into 2 and go ahead and I'm just moisturizing it again before all dried. Guys, I think I'm liking this blow dryer, even though it's expensive. I'm thinking it's worth it. Look at the results. Okay, so let's do this finger detangling. Medium-sized section. You guys. Okay. Hey. Hold on. Look at that. Okay. First of all, I'm okay. Blown away. I am blown away. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, you guys. So, Revair. Okay. So this blow dryer is it. Okay, this is it. This is it for me. Over the years, I have purchased many blow dryers, different flat irons, different things, but I think this is it for me. Like, it's expensive. It costs $400, but I think it's worth it. If you can afford it, definitely get you a Revair blow dryer. It's just, it gets your hair so stretched with minimal heat. And for me, the most important part of this is that the time it took for me to get this hair blow dry was less than 30 minutes total. I was starting and stopping and doing other things in the house, so it took me a little longer. But if you're just blow drying your hair, it took me 30 minutes to get this result. Like, yes, please, any day, anytime. I highly recommend. Look at that. And my hair is so stretched, there's minimal heat used. Like, yeah, okay. This is, look at it. Look at it. Oh my word. Yep. This is it. This is it, man. I think I could have gotten my hair even straighter if I left it in for longer. But I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this result. So from here you can go ahead and style it as you wish, or flat iron it to get it more straight. I'm not gonna flat iron it. I'm just gonna probably put it in a ponytail, or frankly just carry it like that. Alright, so this is it. I highly recommend the Revair. It will change your hair care journey. Like, yes, please get it.